A lot of you may know me by now. And if you don't, my name is Dee. I've been in the online space for a little while now, and I absolutely love it. It's really changing my life. And last year, I made a lot of money, and I'm gonna double that this year. But I'm here to let you know, I'm just an ordinary person. And today was a rough day at work. And let me tell you guys, I know everybody has terrible days at work. But when I'm there, just because I'm getting older, I'm like, oh my God, I definitely do not want to do that for the next 15 to 20 years. And guys, most people who retire have to go out and get a second job. Doing digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or learning a new skill, high income skill, and applying those skills to something you're passionate about can truly be life-changing. It can actually be your escape from your job. Now, I do want to be very clear. A lot of people will see other people make quick money, and some people already have a following. Some people already know, or they were marketing something else and came over to something like Lipo Max. They're going to make quick sales because they know how to do it, right? So the course itself will teach you so you can start making sales. But if you are wondering, like, what can I do to make extra money? I don't like my job. I'm burnt out. I'm stressed out. Like today, guys, I was stressed out. I was burnt out. I came home and I'm like, number one, it's freezing in Ohio. Number two, I'm like, I am so tired. I don't have the energy to do anything. But what I do know, this here that I do with digital marketing, I don't want to sit here and say it's easy or it's simple, but you can learn it and you can start applying those skills. And before you know it, things like making these videos become really easy. And so you just start producing these videos about anything and everything you do in life. Some of them you can talk, you can teach, you can let people in on your life, whatever you want to do. But it comes down to, guys, we're digital marketers. I'm a digital marketer, and it's better than me being completely exhausted at my day job. I worked 12 hours today. I didn't even get a lunch, and I came home and I literally want to pass out. I wouldn't want to have to come home and be like, oh my God, let me change my clothes to go to that second job. Hell no. So this is what I do, and this generates additional money. So like, for example, I didn't make a shit ton of money in January, and I don't know, we're on the 17th, and so far I've made close to $2,000. And that's not just marketing the course, that's about different services that I now offer because I've learned high income skills. So I can offer services to help people, do things within their business. And so I start earning that money. So guys, if you are interested in truly learning a new skill, learning high income skills that you can turn around and apply to anything you're passionate about and start earning 100% of that money, and it goes right in your pocket. And maybe you want to put it over here and put it in a nest egg and save it for the future. Or maybe you want to start knocking down that mortgage. Maybe you need a car. I need a car, guys. I really do. That's one of my goals is I need a car. But maybe it's just as simple as, paying off your credit card or going on vacation this year. Wouldn't you love to go on vacation this year? I would. So I do. I like having that extra money, and I get that extra money by doing digital marketing and marketing my products. And again, you can be a digital marketer around anything you're passionate about. If this interests you and you're ready to dive in and learn the skills, I have a course in my Stan store. You can check it out. It's $397. You go into that course and you start going through the modules, learning those skills and start applying them. But you do have to take action in order to change your future and what next year is going to look like for you. Save this video and come back to it and share this video for me. Go ahead and follow me too if you're not following.